How to create smart contract in blockchain. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create smart contract in blockchain. So in order to create a smart contract in blockchain, all you have to do is make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and then to begin with, make sure to stick with us right till the end. Now first of all, it involves several steps in order to create a smart contract in blockchain. The step number one is you have to project planning. After that, you have to engage in a competitive developmental teams, and once you're done engaging in that, you have to review and develop a network of contract. After you've done with that procedure as well, you need to move on with the step number 4, where you need to launch smart contract and blockchain applications. And then you have to opt for a suitable blockchain type and seek for a hosting provider as well. Once you've done that, you have created a smart contract in blockchain. However, if you're unable to proceed on with this following tutorial, you can also contact the support team and state about your queries. So in this way, you can create smart contract in blockchain. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.